Okay, it's the middle of July, 95 degrees outside. Someone's AC just died. They grabbed their phone and they are ready to pay whatever it takes to get cool air back today. So that person is looking for you right now, but are they finding you or your competitor? So most HVAC companies wait for the phone to ring. Referrals, Google, yard signs. But what if you could reach thousands of homeowners in your area before their system breaks down? That's what Facebook ads do for HVAC. So in this video, the exact setup, offer, ads, targeting and follow-up, step by step. So let's go. So why Facebook and not just Google? Google works great for HVAC. Someone types AC repair near me and you show up, but those clicks cost $30 to $70 each. I'm talking about Google ads, and everyone is bidding on the same keywords. Facebook gives you two things Google can't. First, you reach people before their system breaks. You offer a tune-up, a free inspection, a maintenance deal. They book now instead of calling in a panic later. And second, the cost. $10 to $20 per lead on Facebook vs $30 to $70 per click on Google. And here is the best part of HVAC. Every lead can become a recruiting customer. You fix their AC today. They sign up for a maintenance plan and they call you every year. So one Facebook lead can be worth thousands over time. So let's talk offers. HVAC has a unique advantage. You can run different offers for different seasons. For example, summer offers, AC not calling like it used to, free diagnostic, we will find the problem before it gets worse. This works because people notice their AC struggling when the heat hits. You catch them early. Next one can be AC tune-up special. $49, normally $129. This week only. So a strong discount with urgency gets people in the door. Okay, winter offers, furnace inspection. Make sure your head works before the first freeze. Free for new customers, same idea, different season and prevention sales. New system, next one. For example, new system, $0 down, payments from $79 per month, free estimate. And for people who need a full replacement financing, because financing removes the biggest objection. And year-round offer, join our maintenance plan, 2 tune-ups per year, purity service, 15% off our repairs. And this is the golden offer for HVAC. It creates recruiting revenue. So one customer paying you every single year. Okay. So match your offer to the season. In the summer, everyone thinks about AC. In the winter, everyone thinks about heating. So meet them where they are. Okay, now the ads. 3 types that works for HVAC. Type 1, the technician on a job. Your tech standing next to an AC unit, talking to the camera. For example, hey, I'm Mike from company, I just finished this install and the homeowner is already saving 40% on their energy bill. If your system is over 1 year old, it might be time. So click below for a free estimate. And yeah, so this is 20 seconds, filmed on the phone, real person and real job and real trust. Okay, type number 2, thermostat close-up. Video or image of a thermostat showing a high temperature inside the house. So text on screen, for example, your AC shouldn't be working this hard. Free diagnostic, we will find out why. So this is simple, visual, hits a real pain point. Everyone knows the feeling of a hot house. Okay, so type number 3, before and after energy bill. So show a real energy bill, for example, $380 per month. Then show the bill after a new system, for example, $190 per month. And text, same house, new system, half the bill. Get a free estimate. So numbers talk. People love seeing real savings. So run all 3, replace the worst on every 2 weeks with something new. Okay. Now let's talk about campaign setup. So setup is simple. Same structure that works for every local business. So objective, leads, budget, the best $20 to $35 per day. A new HVAC system costs $5,000 to $15,000. So even a repair job is $200 to $500. Spending $25 a day to find these customers is nothing. So yeah, targeting your service area, 15 to 25 mile radius. You can make more if you want, but yeah, 15 to 25 mile radius is usually for your industry. Age 28 to 65, homeowners, and no interest targeting. Broad works best. Ad set 1 and all 3 creatives inside it. Okay, and lead form. Name, phone number, and 1 question: what do you need? With option like AC repair, heating repair, tune up or inspection, or for example new system estimate and maintenance plan. So this question does 2 things. It qualifies the lead, you know what they want before you call, and it makes the person commit. So choosing an option makes them more likely to answer the phone. And yeah, pro tip, add a thank you screen that says we will call you within 30 minutes, and show your phone number. HVAC industry is urgent, so people want to know you will respond fast. Okay, now 2 things that separate the HVAC companies that grow from the ones that don't. First one is speed. So call every lead within 5 minutes. HVAC is an emergency business. When someone's AC is broken in July, they don't wait. So they call the first company that picks up. If that's you get the job. If you call back 3 hours later, they already have a tech on the way from someone else. So auto text immediately, thanks, for example, thanks Michael. Technician will call you within 30 minutes to diagnose the issue, and then call very fast. So yeah, this is very important. Okay, so next one is the maintenance plan play, and this is the real secret of HVAC marketing. Every single lead that becomes a customer should be offered a maintenance plan, not as an upsell, as a genuine service. So we will come twice a year, check everything, clean everything. You get priority scheduling and 50% of repairs. Why? Because a one-time repair customer is worth $300. a maintenance plan customer is worth $300 per year for 5 to 10 years. So that's between that's between $1,500 to $3,000. So this is from just one customer, and they refer their neighbors. So the Facebook ads bring them in. The maintenance plan keeps them forever. That's the system. So yeah. So let's do a quick recap now. So seasonal offers: AC in summer, heating in winter, and maintenance year round. Number 2, 3 ad types: technical, on a job, thermostat, close up, before and after energy bill. Number 3, simple campaign, leads, ad budget between $20 to $35 per day, service area, and broad targeting. Number 4, smart lead form, one qualification question, or maybe sometimes more if you are getting low quality leads, you can use a little bit more, but you can start with one qualification question. And a thank you screen with fast response promise. Number 5, call in 5 minutes, plus offer the maintenance plan. Speed wins the job, so maintenance keeps them forever. Okay, so if you run a HVAC company and want us to set this up for you, free strategical link is in the description. So yeah, comment what's your biggest struggle with getting HVAC leads right now. I will try help you, and I will answer. So subscribe for more industry breakdowns and other pro tips about methods and paid ads. So yeah, I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.